Okay guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make a slowed and reverb songs. For this you'll need two apps, Music Speed Changer and Android Audio Droid. So first of all, open Music Speed Changer, pick the song that you'll like to make a slowed and reverb on. For example, let's take this AVC the Nights.
When I was 16, my father said, "You can do anything you want with your life. You just have to be willing to work hard to get it." That's when I decided, when I die, I want to be remembered for the life I lived, not.
So what we'll basically do is decrease the tempo to the percentage that it may sound normal, not normal, like the normal slowed and reverbs. Then decrease the pitch to some lower level, like this. Let's listen again.
When I was 16, my father said, "You can do anything." That's when I decided.
When you get the good type of voice from slowed and reverb, then go to save edited track, save the name. Okay, save an audio. Sometime then you'll need audio droid. First of all, let the track be saved. Okay, the track has been saved. Now open Android Audio Droid, open library, select the song, the nights. It is okay. Now after you import the track, go to effects, go to reverb, set it to 0.4. Now go to home, mix, try effects and mix. It will show some errors. Now save, add the desired name, like something that you want. I'll save it as the nights. It will take some seconds to save.